Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Don Britton, welcoming you to the National Weather Service Great Falls weekly weather briefing. At any point during this briefing, please feel free to pause the video to better examine the presented information. Weather hazards this week include potential for lightning and gusty winds across southern Montana Monday afternoon through Wednesday morning. Areas of south central and southeast Montana may experience localized flooding associated with heavy rainfall on Tuesday. Warm temperatures Wednesday through Friday across northern Montana pose a potential risk for heat-related impacts. This weather story from the National Weather Service office in Billings illustrates potential impacts with thunderstorms expected Tuesday. Slow-moving storms with the potential to produce heavy rainfall and localized flooding are possible. Total rainfall amounts over the next week are greatest over southeast Montana, where around half an inch of rainfall is expected. Persistent very warm temperatures across the High Line Wednesday through Friday will present a moderate risk for heat-related impacts. Overall dry weather over the course of the week will result in low daytime relative humidity, particularly later in the week. Of course, this is the time of the year when things begin to dry out. Climatologically, peak summer also brings lower overnight relative humidity, which will become an increasingly significant metric as fields continue to dry and cure. Although not yet worrisome, we'll begin to see marginal relative humidity recoveries over the southwest half of the state later this week. The Wildland Fire Assessment System suggests the best fire weather potential will exist Wednesday and Thursday, mainly along the High Line and northeast Montana. The latest U.S. Drought Monitor indicates abnormally dry conditions along portions of northern Montana, with moderate drought over significant portions of Lincoln, Blaine, and Phillips counties. Looking further ahead into next week, we will have better than average chances for warmer than normal temperatures and better than average chances for below normal rainfall. That concludes the briefing for this week. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. I hope you have a wonderful week.